I have answered this question millions of times. The science cannot find out who am I because the entire protocol and the research studies of the science is to find out what exactly is matter. That is constantly changing. The Eastern wisdom wants to know who am I. That is totally different from the matter, the material consciousness. One type of the knowledge can only, one type of the instrument can only find one type of the knowledge. Can your ears see anything? Can your eyes hear anything? Not possible. So Eastern wisdom is an instrument of the knowledge to know who am I. That is one type of the knowledge can only. Buddha says, know thyself. Who we are, we already know ourselves. We are the body mind complex. We are big, rich, poor, gender, etc., etc. So Buddha says we are none of them. That is why we have to know ourselves. But we already claim we know who we are. So then the journey doesn't begin. And the people starts doing meditation without understanding this very question. Our true nature is peace and happiness. So Buddha says, know thyself because the world that is suffering, you are claiming you are the world. Can I see real self through my sense organs and the mind? I've answered previously that eyes cannot see, eyes cannot hear, my nose cannot see. So one type of the instrument is applicable to receiving one type of knowledge. So I want to know myself. I'm consciousness. Why I'm consciousness? Conscious, hence I'm consciousness. I'm conscious of you, I'm conscious of others, I'm conscious of the material world, hence I'm consciousness. So only the consciousness can discover who we are. And what is the result? I'm the